Alrighty, Kimma FC were crowned champions of the St. Anne Division 1 after a 2-0 win over Corners FC at Drax Hall on Wednesday. Fans did not wait long for the opening goal, which came in the 10th minute from Shaquille Brown. And it stayed like that until the 63rd minute when Jason Allison added his name to the score sheet for Kimma's second goal as they cruised to victory. The two teams have been promoted to next season's Major League.
Well, today was a rough game still, but we prepared for it. You know, a lot of hard work put in. Yeah, because we really did need this title. Yeah, upliftment to say.
According to Orlando Brown, the coach of Corners FC, indiscipline let them down on the day.
Well, it's all about the attitude I'm on them, or the fan before the game start. It ain't right. It ain't right, so. You know, say, we did look for this result because when you have a discipline, nothing not going to come good.
Meanwhile, President of the St. Anne FA, Danny Beckford, bemoaned the lack of support for the sport in the parish from the parent body, that's the Jamaica Football Federation.